This is the Pulpo model. It's our mini longboard series. Comes in two sizes, 8.0 and 8.6. This is the 8.6 by 23 by 3, so a little wider. Same thickness as the 8.0, but made for bigger boned people. Nice outline, sanded finish, pin line. If you look at the bottom, again, it's a mini longboard. It's not a fun board. So there's concave in the nose. You can nose ride this. Flatter to the bottom, so you got good glide, and then V in the tail. Set up as a 2+1 with the FCS2. If you put in a bigger single fin and take these out, you can get a nice smoother ride and that longboard feel. It's got a 60/40 rail with a nice sharp edge, so definitely a performance-y longboard with a rounded pintail. So the bigger of the two, maybe 180 pounds or more, you want to consider this one, and it'll give you a lot of float and be a lot of fun all summer long.